In this video, I'll discuss some techniques for solving logarithmic equations. In a logarithmic equation, the variable is inside a logarithm. So the basic idea is that we want to use our rules of logarithms, if necessary, to combine multiple logs into a single logarithm. Then we want to isolate the logarithm so that there's nothing else next to the logarithm or multiplied by the logarithm. So the equation just looks like a logarithm of some stuff equals something else. And then we rewrite that using our definition of the logarithm so that we get rid of the log and we get that the stuff that was inside the logarithm equals the base of the logarithm raised to the power of what was on the other side of the equation. And then finally we'll solve for the variable using whatever regular algebra techniques we need to get the variable by itself. So here's an example. We see here that we only have one logarithm, so we don't have to use any logarithm rules to get the log by itself. However, notice the number 4 that's being multiplied by the logarithm. We can't rewrite this equation in exponential form until we get rid of that 4. So the very first step we'll need to do is to divide both sides by 4. On the left-hand side, the 4's divide out, and we just get the log base 3 of 2x plus 7 equals 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Now we've got the log by itself, so we rewrite this in exponential form, which looks like 2x plus 7 equals the base of our log, 3, raised to what was on the other side of the equation, also 3. 3 to the third power, 3 cubed, is 27. So we get 2x plus 7 equals 27. Subtract 7 from both sides, we get 2x equals 20. And then finally, our answer is that x equals 10. Here's a more complicated example. This time we have multiple logarithms, a log base 2 of 10x minus 8 minus the log base 2 of x. So the first step here is that we want to combine those into one logarithm. The log rule we want to use is that when you subtract two logs, what you get is the log of a fraction. So 10x minus 8 divided by x equals 3. And now our next step is going to be to rewrite this so that it doesn't have a log in it anymore. So we get 10x minus 8 divided by x equals 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power is 8, so we get 10x minus 8 over x equals 8. Now we don't have any more logarithms, but we still have some algebra to do. First of all, we see a big ugly fraction that we don't like, so we can deal with that by multiplying both sides by x. On the left-hand side, the x's will divide out. And so we get 10x minus 8 equals 8x. Things are looking nicer now. We want to get the x's by itself, so we're going to subtract 8x from both sides. And also add 8 to both sides. So the 8x's on the right cancel, the minus 8 and the 8 on the left cancel. 10x minus 8x is 2x, which equals 8. Divide both sides by 2, and we get our answer of x equals 4.